What's up, everybody? Welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei, and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on Figma stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, this stock grabs my attention because it is the number one in the watcher section of the stock tweets community. And I have to admit that this price action grabs my attention for the second time when I found out that their initial public offering, price was at $33 per share. And guys, right after this asset became public, it went up by 73% and it reached about a bit less than $150 mark. And some people might think that its growth might continue, but let me explain you some details. And before we dive deep into all of these, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm and drop me a line in the comment section if you think my videos are valuable for you. On top of that, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And you have just two tiers if you want to join my Patreon. And guys, here's one of the recent tweets, one of the recent posts that I made in order to show the actions that basically are happening inside the Discord chat. Here's the week of July 7, July 13th. This week, for the first time, I prepared a short list of 6 tickers that, in my opinion, were at very interesting points in their movement, making it easy to enter profitable short trades. It was published on July the 10th. Over the next 2 days, 5 out of the 6 tickers lost between 4% and 16% of their value, offering strong potential profits. Only one ticker continued to move sideways. If you can see the ticker list and the original post in the picture. And here is the tickers that were mentioned by me on July the 10th. Moderna, Coinbase, Oracle, SoFi and ALB. On top of that, UPST was also mentioned at this post. And you can track the price action right after this tickers were posted, and you can prove my words. Additionally, a broader list of more than 20 tickers of interest for potential trading was also published. As usual, I answered many questions from my students and provided a detailed analysis of the following tickers: BayAX, AEO, FI, XYZ, CGC, MSTR and PLTR. So guys, if you want to be a part of this community and if you want to benefit a lot from pretty much any conditions of the market, feel free to join my Patreon. So guys, and let's begin with the official Figma statements. You can find their report, S1 report that was published just several days ago on the official SEC website. And here is the information that is very interesting for potential investors. They have $821 million of LTM revenue. Their year-on-year revenue growth is 46%, and this number is really impressive. They have a non-GAAP operating margin at 18%. Their gross margin is 91%. They have 132 net dollar retention, and 78% of Forbes 2000 companies use Figma. 76% of customers use 2 or more products. And guys, in general, these numbers are really impressive. But take a look right here. If you multiply the number of shares by the price, and here you can see these calculations are made automatically, the total market cap of this company for now is $59 billion. With the revenue, with the revenue of $821 million, it is not the best ratio. On top of that, guys, I have to say that, well, to be honest, their business model is very attractive. Let me show you some details about their customers. So, They have 13 million monthly active users, and to be honest, this number is not so impressive, but their growth is really impressive. And I have to admit that their total addressable market, wait a second, I will show you somewhere here, they have a huge total addressable market, about $33 billion total addressable market, and the entire growth, the growth of this part of the market is also very, very impressive because of the most recent implementation of AI technologies. And Figma is one of the leaders of this field, but guys, for now, their valuation, especially if you put into the consideration that the opening price was at around $85 and their initial public offering price was $33. So, from the very beginning, they almost tripled the value of their stocks, and at this highest point, the value of the stocks were higher for almost 5 times. Guys, does it mean that all of these shares might be dumped to the open market? Definitely not. On the market, we have basically the very important rule that doesn't allow to dump all the shares right after this public offering happens. It is the lockup period, so some kind of lockup period. And to be honest, I didn't notice for now what is their lockup period, and usually it is of 3 to 6 months. That is why all the insiders who hold Figma stock from their private so-called era, they will not allow to sell these stocks basically within next 3 to 6 months. And what should we expect from the technical standpoint? Guys, it is very interesting price action. On the one hand, yes, we can clearly see the uptrend, but we don't have enough data. As you can see, we are on 5 minutes time frame. And this price action, despite the fact that I can count several waves into this top, but first of all, it is on a 5 minutes time frame, and we cannot project anything rather than for the next, I would say, day or so. And to be honest, for the last several hours, you can see that if I connect these tops, despite the fact that this asset has the majority of its trading sessions happened on the aftermarket and pre-market hours, which means there is not enough volume to confirm these trades, but nevertheless, for now, it has a clear range of resistance, and potentially, as you can see, we have equal lows. This means potentially it is a descending triangle. And guys, it doesn't mean that this forecast will be valid for the next, let's say, month. It doesn't mean that this forecast will be valid even for the next week. It means that potentially on the upcoming Monday session, the breakout to the downside might happen. And that is why, guys, to be honest, in order to make the most, I would say, the most valid forecast for this asset, we have to have much more data than we have for now. You can see that we don't even have proper indicators because of the lack of data, lack of public data. But this movement to the upside and this retracement, by the way, let's do some measurements. And by the way, another quite interesting question. Do we need to use the initial public offering price of $33 and to measure this movement from this bottom, from this level to this top? If so, guys, in this case, this asset broke only 0.236 level. But if we measure from this bottom, you can see that it is nearing to the golden pocket range. And yes, you shouldn't rely on these levels because we know that at least from $33, this asset went up for the first trading session. This means, guys, the levels where it can land, in my opinion, should be somewhere at $75 to even $60 mark. This is my forecast for the next, let's say, for the beginning of the next week. And if this is the case, guys, I believe from this level, this asset might have some kind of reaction. But again, I do not encourage anyone to enter or even to trade this stock because of the lack of information. And I would say that if you compare this asset with Airbnb, you will see quite interesting patterns again. So let me show you some details about their initial public offering. And it was also a lot of hype around this stock. Wait a second. It happened back in 2021, and on the very beginning of trading sessions, the price of this asset, first of all, at the first couple of days, we had this first of all spike in its price, then it was a decline, but for the next I would say month or a couple of months, this asset went much higher, and it gained about 73%. And their financials were quite similar in terms of the ratios that you can find on Figma's official statements. But right after that, the market basically decides that it will not be at this high valuation for the long period of time. And since its highest point, this asset lost about 62% of its value, and to be honest, the levels in between $80 and $100 was a very interesting levels to enter your long position on this asset. That is why, guys, Figma, in my opinion, has to have more data on this price chart. You can see that on a daily time frame we don't have anything rather than just a couple of candles that doesn't show us anything at all. But the levels, let me show you again this in details on a 15 minutes time frame. The levels in between, wait a second, I will show you right here. In between $60 and $75 might be quite interesting to catch at least a bounce of this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.